Thanks, Ron. Look who's here. Jody and Kevin Farrell have their new T-shirts on. And today we're going to talk. I love the new T-shirt. Nice haircut, by the way.
Thank
you.
Thank you.
Very nice. Got a little gray there at the temple.
Oh,
it gives you authority. You know, embrace the gray.
Authority, yeah.
Don't tell him that.
and a discount at most restaurants.
And a discount that, yeah, that and what, $1
Please don't encourage this.
Oh, this is always fun when you guys are here. Now, today we're going to talk about these finishes, and there's so many. You've got a whole box full down here.
I do.
And probably a truck full that you didn't bring.
Absolutely.
There you go. That's just a few. She's
many,
scrambling through. So what are we looking at here, babe?
These are acrylic. This is a product that we can put inside your shower area. We can take these wall panels all the way to your ceiling. So we can make sure that whole area is watertight. It has a lifetime warranty on it, not to crack, chip, stain, or discolor. I can get them in the slick finish, but then we can also get them simulated to look like tile without grout lines.
Oh, okay. So this is slick or matte? Can you do a matte, or is it all slick?
Depending on the colors that you choose, a few of these have the gloss finished, and this is matte. So it just really depends.
Because the ones I have are really
when we come into your home, we bring in a suitcase. We're not moving in unless you feed us.
But feel free to.
Absolutely.
Exactly. But we kind of just go through your wants, your likes, your dislikes, and then at that point we decide, you know, what it is that we can do for that area.
Well, the good news is you've got a lot of colors to choose from.
We do.
A lot of the movement in the, you know, mimicking granite or marble or whatever else you've got. So what's so great about this surface, especially in a wet place?
Well, it's mildew resistant for one. It is guaranteed, as I mentioned, not to crack, chip, stain, or discolor. So it is something that the base is also made of the acrylic. So when we do a lot of pulling out the tubs and putting in the walk-in showers, a lot of individuals, if they don't want us to put a stationary seat in, they use the shower chairs with the legs.
Yes.
We do not have to worry about the shower chair over time fracturing this product. It's guaranteed not to do that.
Well, and that's a big deal. I mean, if you've got to roll a wheelchair in there, or you've got a heavy chair, that is a real deal maker as far as I'm concerned. So what is this piece right here? This is good looking.
Tell them, Kevin.
Step on in there.
These are cultured marble. This again is a product most people see it on like vanity tops, but this is actually shower walls. This is a slate. Mimic slate look on this one.
It does look like it, yeah.
And then we have the subway tile also look. And these can go all the way to the ceiling as well. It goes in 3 pieces plus the base.
And again, no grout there, but the grout look.
No grout.
Which is so
exactly. Even with the slate one. Now I think they can see it better. The cameras are down here. So you can see that these...
It really does look like slate tile.
Yeah, it's just stamped to look like
color. Yeah.
Any color. And we actually, you know, we have samples, and I didn't bring them in, but we have samples that actually could look like this. That can be stamped also.
They've got it all. They've got it all. Now, we're going to switch gears a little bit because you're always in the hiring mode, but you have a particular need right now in Owensboro.
We need carpet installers in Owensboro. Bad.
Yes.
Call us.
How did they call you? How did they get in touch?
They can call us at 812-568-0700. And we are looking not for employees on that, but to subs. So people that have their own crews currently are great for us for that.
Okay, so that's just job by job?
Yes, and we have plenty of work.
Lots of volume for them. So.
Really? Okay.
Yes.
Then is that also other flooring, too, like it can be able to install this carpeting, flooring, installing?
We have hard surface flooring and carpet.
Okay, well then, I know you're so busy. The business kind of gone crazy.
We are blessed.
It has. Very blessed.
Really, really has. So I'm excited for you.
Thank you.
Your Bath Envy shirts on, so all of that people can still see all your Bath Envy stuff.
Yep.
You know. You guys.
I know.
You guys. Well, if you need wonderful finishes and fixtures for your home, done for you by people you're going to love, give them a call, and they will take good care of you. And by the way, if you lay carpet, give them a call. We'll be back with more local lifestyles right after this.
This portion of Lifestyles has been sponsored by Home Envy.